Streamlabs OBS Apex Legends Lag Quick Fix. Fixing Apex Legends lag when using Streamlabs OBS ensures smooth gameplay capture and streaming, providing a better viewing experience for your audience. Now here is how we are going to get this done. So if you have been experiencing problem with Apex Legends, just go ahead and close your Streamlabs OBS first. Now basically what we are going to do is very simple. Now there are two things that we are going to do first. So first things first, I want you to go ahead and look for Streamlabs desktop. From this point forward, go ahead and click open file location and then right click this one, click properties, and then from this point forward, you're going to go ahead and click this advanced button in here. After clicking that one, you will see here run as administrator. Go ahead and click this one. Now click OK, apply, continue, and OK. So yep, running your Streamlabs OBS to an administrator mode is definitely going to help. Now another thing that we are going to do is this one in here. Go ahead and look for power and sleep settings. There you go. So I'm going to open this one. Now once you are in here, you're going to go ahead and click this one here, additional power settings, or if you see something like this, performance and energy, make sure that you are using best performance. Again, this is going to maximize your performance or your PC's performance in order to give you a better quality when it comes to gaming and something that uses your PC's resources. Now go ahead and click additional power settings if you don't see that one. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and see something like this. It says that balance. This is the recommended. It automatically balances performance with energy consumption. Now that is the problem, right? Because what is going to happen is that this is going to limit your PC's performance. So what we are going to do is favor or use high performance or ultimate performance. So go ahead and choose which one you prefer. Say for example high performance, but if you think it's still not doing its job, go ahead and click ultimate performance. So this is going to provide ultimate performance on higher end PCs. So this is of course going to use the maximum performance of your PC at the expense of more power consumption or energy consumption. Now once that's done, you can just go ahead and close this one and then you can go back to your Streamlabs desktop. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and click the settings. Now click the output. Now in the streaming settings, make sure that you have already configured this one. I have a lot of videos for this one. Go ahead and click the encoder and make sure that you are using NVIDIA NVENC H.264. Now for the rate control CBR, for the bitrate, change this one to around 6000 and keyframe interval to 2. Preset quality, or if you want to use max quality, that is fine as well, but basically quality is the sweet spot. Now after that one, go ahead and click the video, and here this is your base canvas resolution or the native resolution of your monitor. For the output or scaled resolution, this is the resolution that is going to appear in your stream or in your recording. So mine is still the same thing. Now since there is no downscale happening, just go ahead and neglect this one. This is not going to be very important. What is important though is the FPS type and the common FPS values. So FPS type, we are using common FPS, and then for the common FPS values, you can set this to 30, but if you are using it for games, go ahead and max it to 60. Now once that's done, go ahead and click done and you are good to go. So yeah, congratulations everybody. That is how you are going to fix Apex Legends lag when streaming. Anyway, if you're interested in kicking off your streaming career with Streamlabs, click the link in the description box in order to save yourself up to $20 of discount. And as always, please check our channel for detailed Streamlabs tutorial. We have various levels of tutorials from the most basic ones such as how to set it up, all the way to things like using Streamlabs to stream to TikTok, fixing black screen, and so many others. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.